Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income, where we'll be discussing the top 10 ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom in 2023. If you've ever dreamt of earning money while you sleep or enjoying a lifestyle where your investments work for you, then you're in the right place. And on this channel, we explore strategies and ideas to help you grow your wealth and live life on your terms. Today, we're going to delve into the top 10 passive income ideas for 2023 that can pave the way to your financial freedom. Dividend investing. One of the most popular methods of generating passive income is through dividend investing. Dividend-paying stocks or funds distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. By investing in such companies, you become a shareholder and earn passive income in the form of dividend payments. Dividend investing provides an opportunity for both capital appreciation and regular income, making it an attractive option for long-term investors seeking financial freedom. To get started, research companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and solid financial performance. Look for companies in sectors known for stability and consistent growth, such as consumer goods, utilities, and healthcare. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk and consider reinvesting dividends to compound your returns over time. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties is another proven way to generate passive income. By purchasing real estate properties, you can earn income through rental payments from tenants. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing in properties. Start by analyzing the local real estate market to identify areas with strong rental demand and potential for property appreciation. Consider factors such as job growth, population trends, and local amenities. Evaluate the property's potential cash flow by comparing rental income to mortgage payments, taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Additionally, hiring a property management company can help streamline operations and reduce your involvement. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending has gained popularity as an alternative investment option in recent years. P2P lending platforms connect borrowers with lenders, cutting out traditional financial intermediaries. As a lender, you can earn interest on the loans you provide to borrowers. To participate in P2P lending, research reputable platforms that have robust borrower screening processes and investor protection measures. Spread your investments across multiple loans to diversify risk, as not all borrowers may repay their loans in a timely manner. P2P lending can offer attractive interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds, but it's important to assess the risks involved and allocate your investments accordingly. High-yield savings accounts. Although it may not provide substantial returns, a high-yield savings account is a secure and straightforward way to generate passive income. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your deposited funds to grow over time. Research various financial institutions and compare their interest rates, fees, and account requirements. Online banks often offer competitive rates due to lower overhead costs. Consider opening multiple high-yield savings accounts to maximize your returns while keeping your funds liquid and easily accessible. Create an online course. In today's digital age, sharing knowledge and expertise through online courses has become a popular passive income opportunity. If you have specialized knowledge or skills, you can create and sell an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Start by identifying a topic you're knowledgeable and passionate about, ensuring there is a market demand for it. Outline the course content, breaking it down into digestible modules and lessons. Create engaging and high-quality video content, complemented by supplementary materials like downloadable resources or quizzes. Market your course through social media, email lists, and relevant online communities to attract students. Stock market investing. Investing in the stock market offers the potential for both capital appreciation and passive income through dividends. By building a diverse portfolio of stocks, you can benefit from potential price appreciation and regular dividend payments. Before investing, educate yourself about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and market trends. Consider investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that offer exposure to a broad range of stocks and sectors, providing instant diversification. Alternatively, you can research and select individual stocks based on their financial performance, industry prospects, and dividend track record. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn passive income by promoting products or services through affiliate links. When someone clicks on your unique link and makes a purchase or completes a specific action, you earn a commission. To start affiliate marketing, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Join affiliate programs offered by companies or affiliate networks, such as Amazon Associates or ShareASale. Select products or services relevant to your niche and audience, and create valuable content that incorporates your affiliate links naturally. This can be done through blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media platforms. Focus on building trust with your audience by providing genuine recommendations and transparently disclosing your affiliate relationships. Create and sell digital products. The digital revolution has opened up opportunities for creating and selling various digital products, such as ebooks, templates, software, or stock photos. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly online, providing a scalable source of passive income. Identify a target audience and their needs, then develop a digital product that addresses those needs. For instance, if you're skilled in graphic design, create and sell templates for social media graphics or website designs. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website can serve as marketplaces to sell your digital products. Invest time in marketing and promoting your products through social media, email lists, and collaborations with influencers or content creators in your niche. Royalties from intellectual property. If you have creative works like books, music, or patents, you can earn passive income through licensing or royalty agreements. Intellectual property, IP, rights allow you to generate income whenever someone uses or reproduces your creations. For authors, self-publishing an ebook through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can provide an avenue for passive income. Musicians can distribute their music on platforms like Spotify or iTunes, earning royalties from streams and downloads. If you have patented inventions or innovative ideas, you can license them to companies for commercial use, earning royalties based on sales or usage. Automated online businesses. Building an online business that can be automated is a strategic way to generate passive income. These businesses typically leverage technology and systems to reduce manual involvement and allow for scalability. One example is drop shipping, where you set up an online store to sell products without having to hold inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is fulfilled by a third-party supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. Another option is print on demand, where you create designs for products like t-shirts or mugs, and a third-party service prints and ships the items when orders are placed. Alternatively, you can focus on creating and selling digital goods such as online courses, ebooks, or software. Once set up, these businesses can generate income passively, allowing you to earn money while minimizing ongoing management. In conclusion, achieving financial freedom through passive income requires careful planning, research, and execution. It's crucial to understand the potential risks, rewards, and level of involvement associated with each passive income idea. Diversifying your income streams and adapting to changing market conditions can help create a stable and sustainable passive income portfolio. Remember to consult with financial professionals and experts in specific fields to make informed decisions tailored to your individual circumstances.